everyone. Today we are going to talk about combination and permutation. But this lesson we are going to focus on combination. First of all, we have to know symbol that related to this topic. This symbol is factorial.
What is factorial? Factorial is said to multiply all whole numbers from our chosen number down to 1. For example, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. 4 is a whole number, which 4 multiplied down to 1. Let's do another example for 6 factorial. It is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 720. 6 is a whole number, which is 6 can multiply down to 1. What is factorial used? Factorials are used in many areas of mathematics, but particularly in combination and permutation. What about 0 factorial? 0 factorial is generally agreed that equal to 1. The next symbol is P, which is permutation. What is permutation?
Permutation is an arrangement of a group of objects where the order does matter.
Now, imagine that you get 4-digit code 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we change the order to the digits 2, 1, 4, 3, and 2, we end up with different code as the order of the digit does matter. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a permutation of 4 digits. The next symbol is C, which is combination. What is combination?
Combination is a collection of the objects where the order doesn't matter. For example, suppose you were to choose 2 from a group of 5 books, yellow, pink, green, blue, and purple. If we said you choose pink and blue, we still be talking about the same group of books. As the order in which we color them wouldn't matter, we'd be referring to a combination of 5 books.
There are 2 types of combination, which are repetition are allowed and repetition are not allowed. If repetition are allowed, we use this formula. But if repetition is not allowed, we use this formula. As we can see in the formula, R represents the number of selected object or event, and N represents the number of object or event.
Pretend you are at a cafe that offers 3 different foods, from which you can choose 3. Suppose the first food you choose is popcorn. As the menu allows you to have 3 pieces, your second and third choice could also be popcorn. In this scenario, repetition is allowed.
In this question, they give 5 different types of milk and they ask how many ways can 4 bottles chosen from the refrigerator. So, repetition are allowed. We use this formula. N represent the number of objects, so it is 5, and R represent the number of selected objects, so it is 4. And then you substitute N and R in the formula. And when you calculate them, you will get the answer, which is 70 different ways.
There is a group of stars. Imagine that green star was the first of the 3 we choose to give to others. Once we have chosen green star, we can choose it again, since green star was already given to others. So in this scenario, repetition is not allowed.
This question, they gave us 15 students and they asked how many different committees of 4 students can be chosen. From this question, the total student is 15, so it is N, and the chosen or selected object is 4 students, so it is R. This question, repetition is not allowed, so you use this formula. After that, you substitute N and R in the formula. After you calculate them, you will get the answer, which is 1,365 different ways.
This is your calculator. X factorial is here. And this is NPR and NCR. First, to choose your number, and then you press shift button. Then you press factorial and equal sign. First, you choose a number, and then you press shift button and press NPR, and you choose a number again and press equal sign. For NCR is same with NPR. You choose your number and then press shift button. After that, you press NCR and choose the number again, and then you press equal sign.